Don't film this. This junkyard doesn't need to be filmed.
This is
Nah.
me junkyard.
We got Mercedes, we got a 5 Series, and then we got this. Oh, people can't even see it.
I would bless your phone, you know that, right?
So basically the plan is
To get this in there?
move this to like
Okay.
and then move tank, move that, we go. This moves, so.
Nico's back.
Yeah, I'm back.
Been a long fucking hiatus. Okay, so let's start moving shit.
Alright, so
I think Nico should move this one.
I mean it doesn't drive.
It does.
Oh, it doesn't drive?
It does.
So how the fuck are we supposed to get it in here? What do you mean doesn't drive?
Should have brought the Amigo at home.
For real?
Exactly, that's what I said.
Nah, we can.
I'm about to call Steve.
Just steady on the brake. Me and Jack can do this.
No, are you sure?
Nah, I think Nico gets in because you're the smallest one here, and
I
then
got
we
muscle,
good.
nigga. 700-pound kid, don't forget that.
Alright, fine.
You have to remember it's aluminum, remember?
It's actually not 700 no more. I actually went to the base and did my kick again. It's 475.
What? Alright, can we start moving cars?
Yeah.
Okay. The bad future wagon.
Hold up. Look, what? It is the back.
It is a bad future wagon.
Do you see why?
Why? What? Oh! Yeah, it's definitely the bad future wagon.
That's not even closing all the way, too.
Damn! It just sounds so good.
Sounds like money.
That's
Dude,
that.
that's money.
That's that rich people clothes. Hold up, hold up,
you
hold
want that
up.
closure? Oh,
Oh, you feel that button though?
that's like 18K.
Hold on,
right
hold on,
there.
hold on,
That's what I'm
hold
saying.
on.
That button actually.
Woo! Yo, look at this latch mechanism too. It's different.
Yeah.
Yo, for real, look at this shit. It's completely different.
So you drive Mercedes every day because
Okay, cool.
It's like the same exact. So it's like down and up.
Wait, this one's on, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I mean, like they did this nice though.
Oh. Hold on. Woo!
I might fuck.
Yeah, it's funny. This ain't even a V8 bi-turbo.
It's not.
I think it's supercharged, right?
Yeah, I think it was the dude he bought it from. It's a customized version, so it's not really bi-turbo. It's supercharged, so.
Shh, they ain't gotta know. About to drive this thing though.
No, the 4x4.
Here, nigga.
I know it's hot as hell.
It's hard.
You heard it struggle.
Move it like behind your car, maybe.
Behind my car?
Just out of the way.
Damn, nigga.
That's the transmission. It's like that.
I wanted to come see the Miata. It's been a long time since I've seen this car, y'all. And I'm so proud of this nigga. Or I couldn't say nigga, but I'm so proud of this guy. He has improved on so many levels. I didn't know he was gonna go this low with this thing, to be honest. I thought he was gonna stay a monster truck. But when I say this thing is goddamn disgusting. Excellent, right? Sheesh. It's fucking beautiful. Fucking beautiful. Fitment game. You're getting there. Say he's gonna go lower. I really hope he does. I really fucking hope he does. That's gonna be sex.
Yo, it's so hot in here.
Is that so hot in there?
Bro, I was listening to my mixtape or something. That shit's so damn hot.
So what would
I
this
didn't even
be?
turn on the AC. Look at them. That shit feels nice though. Yo,
Nah.
did you hear it shift into reverse?
Yeah, no, I turned around. I thought I was gonna hit. There's the tank. Looks like we're in California.
Yo, right?
Bring the boat.
And it's an AMG.
Cheers. God damn.
Yo, is that Travis Scott? Yo, I think I see Travis Scott. Yo, I see Travis Scott's G-Wagon.
Yo. Oh my God, we
Is
get.
that Travis Scott? Oh my God, it's Travis Scott. I left my phone in my car like an idiot. But it's Travis Scott.
God damn. Damn. Travis Scott. Hey. Good fan.
Travis Scott,
Good fan.
yeah.
Good fan. This yours, dude?
Yeah.
This yours?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, Kylie gave it to me as a gift. I don't have a Kylie.
You know they got back together, right?
What? Yeah.
Yeah, they got back together. They're in an open relationship.
Something like that. I don't know.
It's an open relationship. That means I can still fuck.
Hey, yo, Kylie.
Kylie.
Slut. Okay, so the main reason why Insights are just kind of weird is because they're like Honda's first hybrid. So they have a weird battery system and they have like an entire problem with charging. And this is before, you know, Tesla and Elon. So
He said these aren't the keys. Nah, never mind, you got it.
but yeah, it's super weird and it's just really inconvenient when the battery 100% dies, and this is what happened in this car. So yeah, it's a pain in the ass.
Now this bitch is out of the way. Now we can take her out.
Woo! We did it!
I was about to ask if he's excited, but it already sounded like he is. You didn't do anything.
Fuck, they said in that bitch then.
Alright,
Sitting that bitch then.
I'm not a dog.
Yeah, this shit garbage. They're gonna be like, man, this thing sucks. You know, it's trash. You know, it's like
It is trash.
it is trash.
How would it be the battery if it's unplugged?
The connection.
You can jumpstart it by rolling back.
Man, you just say reverse pop start
Yeah.
on a hill
Yeah.
This car in the
with
way.
a G-Wagon.
This man's playing the game.
What you mean the G-Wagon? I'm talking about this thing.
Boy, he gonna go flying.
Not if he knows how to control his car. Ooh.
You know how to do shit without the brake line leaking?
Oh yeah, I forgot you got no brake lines.
Exactly. You still wanna play this game?
You got Miata seats in the
Best
Z.
Miata seats out of everyone.
Yeah, his seats are cleaner than mine. But mine got the foamectomy done to him, so I ain't stressing.
This shit was I'm gonna be so angry if it's not
You have
charged.
gas.
Huh?
Do you have gas? The title of this video is gonna be trying to start the Z up again. Trying to start the Z.
This thing's a fucking piece of trash.
Yeah. Okay, man, stop it.
She's alive!
She's alive.
I got a cool ass idea.
You scare me when you have cool ass ideas. Oh, okay, that's fair. Oh, you can do it.
Hey, this is my college degree. Damn, you're kind of smart.
Nope, still fucked it up.
Yeah, dude.
I'm gonna laugh when the thing tips over.
Yeah.
No, you're good. Excellent, bro.
Excellent.
Éxito.
Excellent. Wait, what?
You don't know that one.
Éxito?
Éxito. It's from a fucking commercial way back in the day. I'll play it right now.
Are you okay sitting in the exit row?
Éxito.
OpenEnglish.com.
And now we're back. Jesus. Yo, frame gone.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God.
It's not real. That's gonna get fixed too.
Yo.
Yo, shout out to any welders who know how to weld, who weld,
Holy crap.
who know about welding, who weld,
Look at his fucking frame, dude.
who weld.
Look at that.
You're laughing at me now. It's been 15 years.
15?
All your 240s gonna look like that.
15? Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Our cars are gonna look like that, but yours looks like that today.
Hey man, can you make a mock commercial for only 15 cents a day? You can save all old Nissan owners from breast cancer.
Jeez.
Okay, those are actually sanded, so.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Wait, do I have it? I don't have the keys.
You gotta wash that bird shit off.
Off our treat.